Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna complete this adventure of my misfire issue with the car, with the 2005 Honda Element that I bought. So if you guys have been following this, I have 225,000 miles on my car. Originally I had a bunch of misfires, and it came from two different parts of the car. One was the throttle body, which had some rusted parts in it. The other one was a new I installed a new set of coils. I installed a new set of spark plugs, and apparently one of them was defective. So I mean, it was just troubleshooting from it's taking me like a month and a half to get to the point where I think I might have just isolated the lone issue that I have now as far as the code is concerned. The only code that comes up now is a vacuum leak, and I did a smoke test with a cigar and pretty much isolating the openings, and found out that the smoke was coming from the throttle body, but it was the sensor that's on the other side of the throttle body. There's a little sensor. I don't know if you guys could see it well, but it was coming from a sensor on a throttle body, and I had to what I did was I put some crazy glue over it, and I put some epoxy over it. And this throttle body is a brand new throttle body, non-OEM of course, but that should be the only thing that's causing this issue that I currently have with the code, and this should erase all the issues from this car. As far as misfiring, vacuum leaks, all that is concerned, you guys can see there's quite a bit of rust on this car. 225,000 miles. But I put some epoxy on it. Hopefully that works. If not, I'll have to buy a brand new throttle body. But I think the epoxy should hold. It should work. So I put some crazy glue on it. I put some epoxy on it, and it was isolated as far as the leak is concerned. If you guys want to try this, you guys should definitely get a cigar and isolate all the holes and just smoke. I blew cigar smoke from this line right here, took this line off and just blew it on there, and I pretty much clamped the glove onto this the opening of the throttle body, the other end, and I'm not quite sure if you guys could get a good look at where it's coming from, but it's coming from here. And I'm doing this at nighttime right now, but the socket right there, but it's not coming from the socket, it's coming from this sensor that's held in by two screws. Originally I thought it was coming from the opening of it. I put some gasket maker on it, but it's actually coming from the top of it. And I'm not completely 100% sure that it's not supposed to be open, but I don't think it's supposed to be open. It's supposed to be a closed system. So I don't know what happened or why it's open to begin with. Hopefully this solves it, and you guys know, let me know, because this is the first time I'm actually dealing with this sensor myself, and hopefully that resolves my issue. And it's taking me a lot of troubleshooting back and forth with multiple misfires to just isolating it to one misfire and a vacuum leak. That one misfire was on the third cylinder. It was the coil that was the issue. Changed that up, got a new coil, that fixed it. I mentioned it in my other video, but this one right here should resolve the lone code that I've been getting, which is the vacuum leak. Hope that helps you guys out if you guys have the same issue. But for the future, pretty sure if I have this kind of issue again, I mean, like I said, this car has 225,000 miles on it. I would have needed to change all these parts anyway, but just for the future, I might seriously consider, knowing what I know at this point, looking to do a test on, a smoke test first, and then go from there, instead of just changing out all the cylinders and stuff like that. But that's the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please, this has helped you guys out. Please give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments, please, please comment, and please subscribe, guys. All right, take care.